channel. I am so happy about today's video because I have my lovely cousin Nishu with me today. And guys, we went to Sarojini yesterday. In fact, last Sarojini haul video which I did was also with the Sarojini expert right here. So we went together, but she was not there with me to film the video together. But this time I just grabbed her and I told her, you better sit in front of the camera and let's do this haul video together. So welcome Nishu.
Thank you.
This is our first video together and we are so excited about it. So yesterday we went to Sarojini in the scorching heat of Delhi, but when it comes to shopping, who cares about the heat anyways? So we had a great time.
Heat or it was all cold?
Yeah, my husband said, wow, you went outside in snowfall and all that ironical comments, you know how husbands are. So anyways, let's quickly get on to the haul and let's show you guys what all we got. We went crazy shopping this time as well, but we were pretty happy with what all we got. So I think first let's show the products which were similar. We actually got a lot of similar products, right? So I think, yeah, let's get on to the first thing which we got. And the first thing which we got was this ta-da! Bohemian top. We call it the Bohemian top because we were actually looking for a lot of Bohemian stuff, and we got this beautiful top. We love the color, beautiful marsala kind of a color, and we know for a fact, yeah, I'm talking, we know for a fact that this top is going to be very loose on both of us. She's just half of me, my size, but we still got the same size and we're planning to get it altered. So this is the first thing that we got, and we got it for 150 rupees each. Ta-da! The next thing, common thing that we got were these gorgeous leopard print capes. So this is a cape actually, just something to throw on your dresses or whatever you wear inside, just throw it on. And it's a nice, like an American Georgette fabric, but I think we both got because we like the print, right?
Exactly.
Both of us are big fans of animal print. So we got these, and guys, you won't believe this was only for 50 rupees? No, this guy was selling 3 items for 100 rupees. So this is one of those 3 items. So approximately this costed us 33 rupees and 33 paisa, something like that. So this is what we got as the next item. And the third common thing, I think I kept it there somewhere below. Yeah. So the third item which was common to both of us was this beautiful dress. Why don't you show it? Yeah, so this is the dress that we got. It's like a full length, floor length dress. It has a sexy slit at the back, and this is also kind of not a pure of course, but like a Georgette material, and it has like a sleeveless, it's a sleeveless dress with a nice tribal print. I think we both love the print, the colors, and both of us got the same dress. Ta-da! And we plan to wear it on the same day and go out like, you know, dress coded. And this guy was actually quoting this dress to be 400 rupees, but he actually gave it to us for 200. So it was just half the price of what he was quoting. So when you go to Sarojini, make it a point that you really bargain hard, slash down the prices to at least half of what they quote, and if they don't give it, just don't care, show some nakhra, just move on. They are surely gonna call you back. Arey madam, aajo, theek hai, le lo. So you always wait for that. Never budge, because these guys will certainly sell you at the price that you quote, which is like half of what they normally quote in the beginning. So we got it for 200 each. Now Nishu, show this dungaree. She got something so amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just look at this, you guys. It's a beautiful striped, actually it's a denim fabric dungaree that she got for herself. I being unfortunate because I am never gonna fit into it, but she will fit perfectly well. This is like a full length dungaree. It has pockets on the back as well as on the front. No, they don't have, yeah, they have pocket on the front as well with this babe. And how are you going to like to style this up? How will you wear it?
No idea right now.
No idea right now. So yeah, I mean, we saw it and I was like, you should just grab it as soon as you can, because this is something which is very, very smart, very different. And how much was it for? Can you please tell the audience?
50 bucks.
50 rupees, guys. Can you beat it? Unbelievable. It was only 50 rupees. Now I'm really, you know, decisive that I'm gonna reduce myself, and one day I'm gonna fit into this dungaree and I'm gonna borrow it from her. If she doesn't give it to me, I'm gonna steal it. But I am definitely gonna wear it. Okay, so the next item which I got are these distressed jeans. So I had a pair But then I don't know, I just found it a little more distressed, so I just thought I'll get it for myself. And the good thing about these jeans are that they are, you know, stretchable and they're pretty skinny. So I actually wanted something which is more fitted and skinny. And yeah, this is what I got. I really liked it. I like the distressed condition, and I got this for 200 rupees only. So what's your next item, Ishu? Oh yes, you must see this. She got some really amazing stuff, guys. Just show this to the girls out there. So this is also like a bohemian top come a jacket. Actually, it's a jacket, you know. So it just has a button right here on the top. Rest is open, and this beautiful embroidery and these some fringes or tassels or whichever way you want to take them, with some full sleeves, wrinkled fabric, and they also have these embroidered border, and it's so pretty. It looks so chic. She can wear it with her denims and just throw in a tank top or a spaghetti underneath and just put it over, or she can wear it with shorts. It's going to look very smart. It's a very, very smart piece. As her elder sister and being very, very compassionate, I said, okay, you take it. No worries. Okay, so next thing that I got is, yeah, I'll just show you this one. I got a pair of shorts. I think you can never have enough of denim shorts. I have so many denim shorts, but still I got one because these were also kind of distressed. So I didn't have a distressed denim shorts. I had just normal denim shorts. So I got one of this as well from the same guy from whom I've got the denim jeans which I showed you. So this one was for 150 and the denim jeans was for 200 bucks. So such a great deal, guys. Crazy. So what's your next item, Nishu? Show that yellow dress. That's so beautiful.
Alright.
She got this super cute yellow dress. Actually, I like that dress, but again, she always takes advantage because she's much thinner, and she said, okay, I'll fit into it, so I'll take it. So okay, given. So she got this dress for herself, and this was also amongst those 100 for 3 items. So this also is average 33 rupees, 33 paisa, and I really loved it. So cute, like so beachy or holiday kind of a dress. You can wear it, or you can just wear it as a night dress if you want to, or whichever way. I mean, you can
with
just
shorts or anything.
you can wear it with your denim shorts because it's pretty short but very cute, very versatile. I love the color, so summery, so pretty. So that's what she got for herself. The next thing which I got for myself are these pair of very cute shorts. Have a look, guys. So it's just that this I think the hemming, it's not come out, it's not properly stitched. So I'll get it stitched from a tailor. Otherwise the edges are like this. So this is like kind of a design that they have given on the edges, and I love the color, I love the design, and I just find it so cute. The fabric is also pretty nice and kind of thick. It's not a sheer fabric, and it's a very, very cute pair of shorts. I love it. I totally love it. And I think we got this for 200 rupees.
I think so.
200, yeah, and that's what he quoted. So what's your next item? The jumpsuit.
Okay.
She got some really nice jumpsuit, guys. You need to watch it. Wow, look at this. So I think
Yin and yang kind of thing.
yin and yang. What is that?
Some symbol.
Oh, some brand name. Okay. So this is this cute pair of jumpsuit that she got. It's actually a like a short jumpsuit which she got for herself. Though it's very loose on her, we're planning to get it altered, and it's like a spaghetti style, cute print, black and white, versatile, and you're planning to wear it as your night dress or otherwise?
I think night dress.
Night dress. So yeah, she's planning to wear it as a night dress, which is very comfortable and very cute. Okay, so the next thing which I got for myself is this very pretty top, which is also pretty loose. I'm going to get it altered, but then I got this one. And the beauty, I liked it. It's so Victorian. It has such an English touch to it. I love the net detail and this, you know, cute little lace work that they have done, and the border and the sleeves with ruffles, and you know, the beautiful collar. So I'm definitely gonna wear it. I plan to wear it with my denim jeans or denim shorts or denim skirts because this color goes so well with blue denims, and definitely gonna get it altered first and then I'm going to wear it, and maybe I'll do a lookbook on all these outfits that I got, and sometime, upload a video on the lookbook. So what's your next item, Ishu?
I think I'm done.
I know, I think there is another jumpsuit and the pajama PJs also that you can show. She got this really cool PJs. I love the print. Actually, we both love the print of these PJs. So colorful, so kind of bohemian style, and this beautiful string attached to it. And you can just wear it with your crop tops or your ganjis or tank tops, spaghettis, and maybe just wrap it on a smart scarf, and you're good to go. It's like so bohemian, so summery, very soft fabric, very pretty. And I think you got it for 200?
Yeah, 200.
So this was also for 200 rupees. Not a bad deal. Okay, the next thing which I got was this gorgeous white dress. So this is something which, oh my god, just look at it, guys. It is so beautiful. It has this, I don't know if you call it crochet kind of work on it, and then the string around the neck, full sleeves, and beautiful work in self, like all white on white, and I absolutely loved it. Actually, there was a slight, not a defect, but there was a slight spot, some fruit juice spot, which the shopkeeper told me about, that some kid was standing there and eating something and there was like a small spot on it. So he actually gave it to me for 100 rupees. He said, okay, you'll wash it, the spots are going to fade away, but still, because there's a spot but you really like the dress, so I'm going to give you for 100 rupees. So I just got this beautiful dress for 100 rupees, and I was like, okay, even if the spot doesn't go, I can still give it a shot, and maybe I'll wear it at night, but I'm hoping the spot just fades away or just vanishes and I can wear it. So that's that. Let's show the shades and let's wear it on. Ta-da-da! So this is what we got next, our beautiful shades, and we both decided to get to buy iridescent lenses, because that's something which has been in for quite a while, and I think it looks very cool. From one angle it looks pink, sometimes it looks yellow, sometimes it looks green or blue. So that's the beauty of iridescent lenses, as what you call. So she got this round frames, and I got these kind of cat eye with a top bar, something which is pretty in these days, and we really liked it, and we are going to show you once again how they look upon us. Cool, quite nice, really liked it. So this one I think costed 200 rupees, and this one was 150 rupees. So that's what we got. I think if you go to Sarojini, you have to get a pair of shades. Like last time I got one and I really liked it. Very good quality. If I wear it, it's so good. It's so good. I mean, so I thought I'll get one pair of shades. Once again. Okay guys, so the next piece that I got, actually I shop more than Nishu. Very likely of me. So is this beautiful skirt. I just loved it. The lovely color, the beautiful detailing. It has very beautiful small black pearls and some thread work, and I really like it. It's very different, very unique. So I got this for 50 rupees. Unbelievable. Okay, so I think now we are done with the clothes and it's time to show some accessories. So why don't you talk about this beautiful bag?
Okay, so one, we got this beautiful bag.
So cute.
Very nice clutch. The only problem is it doesn't have the thread, otherwise it's a beautiful piece.
So we were just wondering if it had a sling, but it's something which you can carry in your hand, and lovely colors.
Embroidery, colors, it's absolutely good.
बहुत pretty, very pretty. And how much did we get this for? You remember?
I think 200.
200, yeah.
We got
So
it
this
for
is
200.
what we got for 200. Very pretty, very bohemian. So I think it's gonna match with our bohemian outfits and a lot of other
Lot of other
things. It's so versatile, multicolor, it's so pretty. And we got one more clutch, which is this one. Ta-da! This is also a very beautiful clutch. So it's like has a flap, and then it has, I think, 2 compartments. No, it has 1 compartment, which is pretty nice, pretty spacious otherwise. And then it has this beautiful orange bead embroidery over it, orange and black and golden. So pretty. I mean, it will look so exotic, so classy, so boho while you carry it in your hands. So these are the 2 clutches that we got. And Nishu, why don't you talk about this choker? We got this beautiful choker, guys. Just have a look. Oh my god, just wear it around.
I'll wear it around. Maybe you wear it because my shirt is...
Even I'm wearing a t-shirt. So we're not wearing the right kind of dress, but this is the choker. that we
Two
got.
different pieces.
So if you're wearing an off-shoulder or like a dark color dress, even white for that matter, and you just wear it, oh god, it's so exotic, it's so divine. Loved it. I've never seen anything like that. You know, I just found it so pretty. So this is what we got, and we got this for only 100 rupees. And then we got this belt. This is also like a very pretty cloth belt. It's a suede kind of a fabric and a very bohemian looking
Lot
belt.
of bohemian things we got.
Yeah, so this was actually very loose. So obviously she's out of the league. She cannot wear it because it's very loose, and it was loose on me also. But then if I wear it on my lower waist, then it's kind of still stays. But then I'll see what I can do with it. I don't think I can get it tightened because there's no scope. But then I will just wear it on my lower waist with my low waist stuff, and then I think I'll be able to manage with it. But I loved it so much. I just loved it. It's so different, so pretty. So that's what we got next. And then we got these some really amazing earrings. I also got these ones, the pumps which I'm wearing on my ears. So the belt we got it for 100 rupees. Yeah, so the belt was also for 100 rupees. Then we found these super cute earrings. Look at this, you guys. These are so pretty. These are so like chunky, big, and these beautiful pom-poms with these very delicate gold chains. And I so very loved it. So I think I just showed you these pumps. I just hope you can see the zoomed version. I got this one in blue. Nishu liked the blue color, and I also like the blue color. And then we got this. I'll just wear it and show it to you guys how these look. I have not decided how I'm going to style these up as of now, but I'll definitely wear these with something which is off shoulder because I just want these to, you know, look, just stand out without any interference from any other piece of cloth on my body, on my shoulders. So
very good.
these are what we got, and we got one more in another color. Why don't you talk about it? Look at this guy. Such a beautiful, we'll just show a close up to our friends out there. So we got this color as well. Such a pretty fuchsia color. They had these in so many colors. They had these in yellows and black and greens, even a multi-color variant was there. But I think we got these. Oh, I didn't realize I'm wearing this and this. So let me just wear this one and show it to you guys. So this is how this pink looks. Which is looking better?
I think both are looking neat.
Both are. So I think I can just create a new style statement. I can just wear two different colors and I mean just have my day out. And yeah, this I think will set a new style statement. So yeah, guys, this is a new style statement. Wear two different colors of earrings and you're good to go. So this is what we got, and these ones I think we got for 150 each.
Yeah, 150.
Yeah, and these pumps also. These were for these ones were
Around
400.
80, I think.
Yeah, this was 70 rupees. In fact, he was saying 100 or 120 or something like that, and he gave it to us for 80 rupees. So this is our Sarojini haul. There is some more stuff that we got, but then we thought the best is what we wanted to show it to you guys. And hope you guys like this haul video, and very happy to have you, Nishu, in my video. So we have become Sarojini partners now, and we plan to go Sarojini together, maybe every once in a month or once in 2 months, and we will definitely be doing our Sarojini haul videos because we know you guys love it and we also love it as much. So guys, if you like this video, please leave your comments, because last video I had such amazing comments. It was such a pleasure reading those comments. Show this video a thumbs up. Let us know which was your favorite out of this haul. And if you guys have found something very unique and exotic in Sarojini, do let us know. We can just go and check that out as well. And guys, we have also got some products which we are going to give away in the giveaways. So, but we're not revealing those products because let it be a surprise. So stay tuned for that as well. So till we meet next time, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay safe. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Ruposo, Instagram and my Facebook page.